What's up everybody, it's Wade with Watchin, and today I wanted to tell you guys about a site that I feel like I've been scoring all kinds of crazy deals on. I'm going to show you some of those. We're not going to dig deep into them. A couple of watches might be on the channel later on for review, but today we're going to talk about Whatnot. It is a live auction site. People are putting on shows, they're selling new stuff, they're selling used stuff, they're selling closeout stuff. Heck, I might have found my new favorite beef jerky on that website and I bought it auction style and had a giant box sent to me, and it's delicious. I actually even found somebody selling Wisconsin cheese and I'm going, can they ship that to Arizona? Is it in a frozen box? How does that work? Because I might want to buy some Wisconsin cheese. Sounds crazy, but you know, this site has just about everything on it and you can score some real deals, but you got to watch the live shows. Find people you like and enjoy watching, because like me, if I bought some shoes, you're waiting for your size to come up. And yeah, you can throw in the chat, hey, do you have any 10s, 10.5s, whatever, and they'll try and throw something out there. But maybe it's cool, maybe it's not, maybe you score, maybe you don't. It's very interesting. But you know, if you click my link below and sign up, you can get anywhere from $10 to $200. Now, I didn't have a link when I signed up, so I'm not fully sure how that works. I don't know if you get it off your first purchase or if it's towards your second purchase, but you could get anywhere from $10 to $200 for the site. And I hope some of you guys sign up and tell me how it works and tell me what you got and if you got anything cool. Let me flip you around real quick. So here's just some of the shoes I picked up. Heck, I'm wearing some Adidas that I picked up off of the site. So I scored some Adidas, some Converse, some Hey Dudes just because I wanted to try them. Here is some of the watches that I've picked up off of the site. And who doesn't need a toolkit? I picked up this thing. Come on, MSRP $2,000. I absolutely did not pay $2,000, not anywhere close to that. But I scored that for like $100, and you know, maybe it was a good deal, maybe not. I've seen them on eBay in the $150 range, so you got to pay attention to that as well. And this, honestly, I'm a little bit addicted. This is just a fraction of what I've picked up. So there's just a fraction of what I've gotten. I am a little bit addicted. It is pretty fun to watch. Heck, I follow two bearded bowling guys and they talk about and sell, you know, slots on bowling balls they're giving away. You can buy raffle style kind of, or auction style. It's crazy and it's interesting and it's fast. The Invicta watches, man, they're selling a watch every 20 seconds. It is fast and you can score some good deals. And some of them are too expensive. It's easy to get caught up in the hype. The guys doing the show are trying to ramp it up. Everyone's trying to wrap it up, you know, ramp it up and really get people bidding. And you can overbid for sure. So be careful about that. But you can really, really get some cool deals. So check it out. It's Whatnot. Use my link. Maybe get yourself a little money and tell me if you've used Whatnot. Have you scored any cool deals? Or if it's your first time, what is the first deal you scored once you signed up? As always, guys, thanks for watching.